Rastogi sir, we are volunteer in educational area. We want to learn counseling. Can you tell us something about counseling?
Yes, sure. See, in DMIT Counseling, the most important part is the counseling itself. One part is DMIT, the report, and one part is counseling. So, report generation is a mechanical activity. The great scientists have already put in about 30 years of work in it. That technical part is perfect. But what has to be good is the counseling, which is the human part. Now, a student who comes for counseling already have some thoughts, some influences of society, parents, teachers. We have to understand first his own image about himself. Then we have to see the skills of DMIT report and tell him tactfully and truthfully whether he has those activities, whatever he wants to do, whether he has those activities. Well, we have to tell his skills first, and then we have to take his mind in understanding more and give him various options about careers which are better supported by his DMIT report. Then, after discussing with him various options, we have to narrow him down to one or two options which he would adopt. So, counselor has done his job well if the candidate goes with the confidence that he has now clarity about what career he has to choose, what he has to do, and goes in a very satisfying and gratifying mood. Now, counseling is one subject. When you are talking to a student, he has a lot of other questions also. So, whatever you may be DMIT counselor or you may be psychological counselor, the counselor has to know much more than his subject. And if there are some questions he has to satisfy, so I think the counselor has to read and understand a lot of other things also, so that he can satisfy the queries which are raised in the counseling session. So that's all, nothing much. I mean, you have to be a good reader, you have to know little more than just DMIT, and you do the job, right? Is it okay? Fine.